On WITY, I'm Randy Daniels, and at the Eastern Illini Electric Cooperative 2018 Early Summer Seminar, I'm lucky enough to come across a lady who probably knows more about plants than I know about the back of my own hand, and that would be Mary Dickinson. Mary, with the University of Illinois Extension, welcome to WITY.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You are here to speak to a large group of people about succulents. Would you give me the definition of a succulent?
A succulent plant is a plant that has tissues that are able to retain water, and that will go withstand drought and adverse conditions without dying. So many plants are succulents. We sedum plants that you have in your gardens are succulents. Cactus are succulents. It's a group of plants that are that have evolved and ready and able to withstand drought, and with different kind of succulent leaves and stems and roots that can hold and maintain water.
Are succulents found all over the world in the United States, or are they more found in specific areas?
They are pretty much found in most dry areas all over the United States. We have succulents. You know, if you think about going out west and seeing the giant saguaro cactus, those are succulent plants. You go almost anywhere in the world where there's a desert, you will find plants that can withstand the harsh conditions of desert life. So everywhere from the United States and South and Central America, South Africa, probably even the Gobi Desert. I've never...
On your bucket list, the Gobi, is it?
One of my bucket lists, yeah. I'd love to see all the botanic gardens around the world that would have different kinds of plants.
You are what is called a master gardener. Explain that title.
A master gardener is a person who has undergone the training that's given by the University of Illinois Extension, and you spend 13 weeks, 1 day a week, learning all various aspects of horticulture. And then after you have gone through the training, you are then considered a master gardener intern, and you have an obligation then to return the free training where you get all this wonderful information, and do volunteer work and volunteer to share that information that you've learned with the community. So we spend 30 hours a year doing volunteer work with any community group that needs our help. So we have an idea garden in Onarga, and then we do talks. We help out in various school groups or with library groups that want to teach children about plants. So we just work as volunteers throughout the community in many capacities.
Is this something that one day you woke up and said, I think I want to go out and speak to people about plants, or has this been a love of yours for as long as you can remember?
Oh, I taught first grade for a long time. And when Master Gardeners were started in Champaign around 1975, I was just beginning to teach there, and we went to a flower show, and they had a big display, and I told my husband, when I retire, that's what I want to do. I want to be a master gardener, because we'd been gardening at home and doing things. I said, I want to know more about flowers. I want to know more about what I'm doing. And then I found out that that our mission is to teach others how to grow. And since I've always loved to teach people, and you can't stop me talking when I start talking about plants, I thought this is a great way to go out and help people learn how to grow and help people learn about plants. And
we're catching up with you at an Eastern Illini Electric Cooperative summer of 2018 event. Usually when we think about electric cooperatives, obviously we think about electricity, power lines and meters and so on. How do plants come to be involved here at this seminar?
Well, we were invited to come, but when you think about the role that plants play in our lives and how we have to be good stewards of our world, well, that's our job, is to be a good steward of our world. So whether we're conserving electricity by planting shade trees in the right places so that we can shade our houses, so we have talked about that on certain times, or whether we are growing our own food, planting gardens so that we can, save some energy by, growing our own tomatoes and peppers and things like that. By the way, help yourself to a free plant.
You won't have to tell me twice.
Being a master gardener, being a gardener, being somebody who's conscious of what's going on in the world, you want to share that information. And it's as much part of our lives as electricity and is necessary. So.
And you have brought with you here to this particular seminar an interesting array of plants. How did you decide what to bring and why?
I'm a plant collector. I have to confess, I'm more of a plant collector than anything else. I love succulent plants. They're very easy to maintain. They are pretty much pest resistant, and they have so many shapes and forms and colors. And you can bring them in the winter and take care of them all winter long when you can't garden outdoors. So they have a lot of pluses, and I just love the way they look. They're beautiful. There's so many different kinds.
You are always at a child on Christmas morning, no matter where you go, because all across this state, this part of the United States, North America, the world, there's something different everywhere you look.
Oh, I know. That's what I love about it. Isn't it wonderful? When you get to know plants and you get to understand them, you appreciate the diversity that we have, and I think that's really important, to appreciate the wonderful, beautiful plants that we have in this world, and just to just love them and know them and take care of them and teach people how to do that.
So glad that you and I had a chance to cross paths today, Mary. It's been an absolute pleasure. I wish we had more time to chat, but you do have a seminar. It's going to start very quickly, yes, and I want to let you get onto that. Thank you so much for visiting with us here at WITY.
Well, thank you very much. It was a pleasure. It was nice to meet you.
That is Mary Dickinson. She's a Master Gardener with the University of Illinois Extension, and on WITY, I'm Randy Daniels.